I honestly do not know how to push myself to vlog because the past days I was tired all the time. I had a few days of migraine and it leaves some health issues which do not just go away immediately. So I felt tired and weak. And then I got this little guy for the weekend. I sometimes act as his grandmother, when the parents have something to do, like a romantic night, and I just pick him up to let them do it and enjoy his company. So, but he's also a handful. I need to go for walks with him 3 or 4 times a day, and he's young and active, and he pulls and pulls and pulls, and sometimes it's just too much for my arthritic knees and just general tiredness and weakness. My vlogging adventure is still the most exciting thing that I'm doing right now. I do really enjoy it because when I take the camera and start speaking to it or talking to it and just appear back into the world, it really, I don't know even how to express it. It somehow makes me more present and more liking myself and enjoying what's happening in my life. And it's a lot, honestly, it's a wonderful thing. What doesn't make me happy is all these little practicalities of making the video, making it flow, editing out all and pauses, and I enjoy the big thing, like taking the footage and putting it together into a story about my day. But I do not enjoy these little things when you really have to, like make things come together. So, yeah. But in general, I do enjoy my challenge. Yeah. Today I was at a flea market in Dortmund with my friends, and it was fun. But again, after this long trip, I feel so tired. And of course, I have the dog. I wanted to send him back home because he was so eager to go home. He, all the time sits and looks into the window and even tries to talk to me like, let's go, let's go. Что такое? Yeah, but his family is not ready to get him back. He's so funny. And you may ask, why would you need to push yourself to vlog? And the thing is that I'm doing this challenge. I'm filming, editing and posting every day for 30 days. And I described in the previous videos why I'm doing it. It's not for any success on YouTube. It's not to gain subscribers. It's for myself. It's to make many videos where I apply all the skills that I have and develop more. And the most important and difficult thing for me is to find my voice You know, I have so many topics that I want to talk about, so many ideas. I also have history. I am switching from one profession to another. And this is crowded in my mind when I'm thinking about creating a video, and it is not doing me any good. But it's next to impossible to stop overthinking and just create. And when I'm in this safe note, when I have to do it because I decided that I'm doing it every single day, then I just do not have time to overthink and sabotage myself. So that's why it's so important to me to get up and to take the camera and to really start talking to it. Anyways, I will have to go get groceries, including his food, and then I will take him for a long evening walk, and probably I will film some of our beautiful streets and show you something. Here I end this video. Please consider subscribing and supporting my journey on Patreon. See you in the next one. Bye, guys.